So today we are gonna play evade. Run from there. It's danger. I am Pyro player. Guys, you have to like and sub. Let's put the speed pad. Because I am kind. I am putting a VCAP. I have to speed up. I am not kind. Okay, round started. Now I have to run. Why they are being down? Again, I just say and. I jumped to danger. I am running, but slow because I am picking he up. I have to revive him. Then I will get token. I am pro player. That's why I am not down yet.
NANI?! NANI?!